Welcome to this Tech Tips episode. We will be talking about Spies Hecker Permacron Transparent Midcoat 9100. Prepare a letdown panel before painting the vehicle. Using 3 separate panels, apply base coat on all of them. Follow by covering 2 panels and apply 1 coat of 9100 on 1 panel. Uncover panel number 2 and apply a coat on both panels. Uncover the 3rd panel and apply a coat on all 3 panels. Permacron Transparent Midcoat 9100 is mixed by combining 1 part 9100 with 1 part Permacron Reducer 3363 or 3365 and 3% Permasolid VHS Hardener 3240 or 3245. This hardener is required. If more than 3 coats are needed for color match, it is possible to use less reducer. This would be determined by the letdown panel created earlier. Refer to the TDS for additional information. Mixing on the scale by weight is always best practice. In this full panel example, apply base coat to the entire panel and flash according to the TDS, using 75% overlap and the distance recommended for the paint used. Gun speed should achieve a wet look and should be adjusted based on the distance. Apply a tack coat of 9100 over the entire repair area as a best practice and allow approximately 1 minute flash. A tack coat is a wet but not completely closed coat. Following the tack coat, apply the first full coat with a 6 to 8 inch distance and 75% overlap. Apply the number of coats needed to match the color. Flash 3 to 5 minutes between coats by checking to ensure there is no stringing. Once complete, apply 1.5 to 2 coats of clear coat. In this blend example, apply base coat and blend as needed. Flash according to the TDS and SOP. Apply a tack coat of 9100 over the entire repair area as a best practice and allow approximately 1 minute flash. Apply the first full coat of Permacron Transparent Midcoat with a 6 to 8 inch gun distance and 75% overlap. Extend each coat a little further than the previous until color match is achieved, determined by the letdown panel. It is very important to make sure your spray gun is spraying properly and is perpendicular to the panel. A heavy fan pattern on one side could leave streaks or stripes. For air dry systems, flash 20 to 30 minutes, with a maximum of 24 hours, or 9100 can be force dried at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After bake, allow panels to cool before clear coat. The color should dry to a dull finish prior to application of clear coat. Tack surfaces and apply 1.5 to 2 coats of approved Spies Hecker clear coat per TDS. Thank you for watching this episode of Tech Tips.